Hello everyone, I hope you all are having an amazing time. Today I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of signing up for Venmo. But before that, here's a short description about it. Venmo is an American mobile payment service founded in 2009 and owned by PayPal since 2012. Venmo was aimed at friends and family who wish to split bills, example for movies, dinner, rent, or even tickets. So if you want to find out how you can sign up for Venmo, then make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open the app Venmo. After that, tap on sign up. Now you need to choose whether you'd like to sign up for personal or business account. Here I'll be going with personal. Now you first have to enter your phone number, and then Venmo will send you a text. So enter your phone number and then enter the code that will be sent to your number. Then follow the further instructions provided, and finally you'll be signed up for Venmo. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel Tech Quest. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye bye.